Alright, let's talk about ApeCoin, guys. I'm going to give you guys my plans and some technical analysis on this cryptocurrency. So let's dive right into it, guys. So right now, guys, this crypto is bouncing off a major monthly support right now. This right here, if you see it currently priced at $5.76, is at a key level of a make or break level. So guys, if you're planning to buy or you're planning to short, for me guys, I'm just going to wait, because what I do see it happening if it does bounce off this level is I do see it doing this right here. Get the arrow. Is that if it might go down a little bit lower to the $5.70 level just to bounce up to this previous high. Now, the previous high was at about $7.35. Now, if it can hand that level and go back up, then we can see that ApeCoin might build back up, head down lower, but then build back to these previous highs over here. But what I'm afraid of that might happen, guys, is that ApeCoin might slow down and actually just break this support and head down even lower. So it might break this support, guys, and head down even lower. So I think this is key zone where it's either a make or break. And if it makes it, then it can be possibly a good trend. It can reverse and head up higher, or it might break and then head down to a lot more pain if people are buying at higher prices. So my plan is to be in detail, guys, is to wait and hold, and basically wait to see if there's more buyers. If it can hold this level at this $5.77, basically $5.80 right here, then if it goes down and makes a couple wicks to head back up, then I'll look at entering again, because there's more buyers entering the market. But if it doesn't and it goes down slowly or fast, I'm probably going to pass on ApeCoin for a while and do another updated video on that technical analysis, just to see if I can get in or get out of this trade, because I don't want to get caught. I got out of the trade a lot earlier, especially when I made the updated video of it bouncing. I caught the bounce. I hit my target profit. I did get out of my trade when I hit my stop loss when I moved it up. But when it comes to this trade, guys, it can be very painful. So possibly a buy stop if you guys are thinking about that. But for me, I'm going to wait. But if I have to do a price prediction for it, my goal price would be the $7.20. That's my price prediction for it to bounce down lower. I'll re-enter if it does that, build some structure. Then if it hits the $7.20, I can move my stop loss, lock in my trade, and take some of the profits out and let it run. If it doesn't, I'm not going to trade. But that's the plan, guys. But let's get into some other details about this cryptocurrency. Obviously, guys, about $5.74. Has a market cap of $1.6 billion. It is currently ranked number 36 on the list. And what I like, it's on a lot of people's watch list. 218,025 people's watch list. Now, guys, if you guys want to learn more about this crypto, please head to the website, apecoin.com. Read more about the proposals, reclaim the governance about what this cryptocurrency is. It's always better to educate yourself about a cryptocurrency before jumping right into it. Also, guys, if you guys want to go to the Twitter page, for me, I always go through the Twitter page of all cryptocurrencies I get into just to read what's happening, any updates, any changes, anything new. So I'm on ahead of the curve about what's happening with this cryptocurrency. But that's the video, guys. If you have any questions or comments, just head to my website. If you want to learn more about indicators, trading, custom indicators, mentioned before, cryptocurrency, some economy and stats, just let me know, guys. Also, if you want to get in contact with me other than Facebook, but you can book a meeting or just contact me through email. But that's it, guys. If any questions or comments, drop them below. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.